Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody left me a message off one of my YouTubes wanting to find the volume of an object inside of, how to do it inside of Corel. I do not know how to do it inside of Corel. You can figure out the length of this item by going to Windows, Docker's Properties, and click on the curve, and it is 41.38891. Well, but that's all you can do. You can't figure out the area. But let's just go and do the perimeter inside of E-cuts by Monster Macro, and it's 31.39, which is rounded up to that exact number. But inside of Monster Macro, now if we have a box that's 10 inches by 10 inches, the volume or the area is 100 square inches. But how would you figure out the shape? And there are some mathematical people that could do it, but in just one couple of clicks of the button, we know that that area of this shape is 92.215. Now, if you look here, it even shows you the bounding box, which is what the whole thing encompasses. So the only way I know to find out the area is inside of a program called Monster Macro. I'm not promoting the product, but I love it. I use it probably once a week to do different things. There's tons of stuff it'll do. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.